The world of security is moving more online than ever. Cloud storage, web services, and most importantly, personal data. And with your live view and remote playback relying solely on a network connection, what can you personally do to protect your security system? Welcome back to Luxrite. Today, we're going to be bolstering your knowledge on Ruijie Reyee routers. Here at Luxrite, we've been doing some R&D on this router. It's a Ruijie Reyee RG-EG105G V3. This cloud-managed router runs 5 Gigabit RJ45 ports, 3 LAN, 1 WAN, and 1 switchable port. It supports up to 100 devices, more than enough for any residential and most commercial CCTV projects. By using real-time traffic monitoring and smart bandwidth control, you can stream playback without any buffering. On-site delays are now a thing of the past too. You can pre-configure your entire CCTV system from home or from the office. So, it's convenient. But how does it improve your client's security? Well, with just one cable, you can isolate your CCTV from the rest of the network. Just connect your existing router to the Ruijie Reyee's WAN port. It's that simple. The router automatically assigns its own IP ranges to any recorders or cameras that you add. Then, everything is hidden from the rest of the network. If you need to, you can change these manually. But should there be a conflict, the router will change these automatically and you will be notified. And it's not just one port. By creating virtual LANs, ports can be partitioned and hidden from the other ones as well. Not just devices on the main network. This means that if there is a breach somewhere on the network, your CCTV is protected on port 1, your personal information is protected on port 2, and your business documents are protected on port 3. Additionally, as the IP addresses will be set to the Ruijie router and not the client's existing router, you can have the whole system set up before you ever step foot on site. All of this is managed through their app or portal, where security remains their #1 priority. Remote viewing no longer requires port forwarding. To avoid opening any holes, Ruijie Reyee uses cloud tunneling to view the client. With the Ruijie Cloud in hand, troubleshooting is simplified as you can find exactly what you need. And before you even think about heading back to that site, all of this is handled remotely as well. You can manage the router and monitor traffic, all without getting up out of your office chair. The Ruijie Reyee cloud-managed RG-EG105G V3 keeps your networks isolated from unsafe devices, organized for easy and remote maintenance, and allows you to pre-configure entire systems before ever stepping on site. With systems becoming this safe and jobs this convenient, the decision to pick one up from the sales team is as easy as the pre-config. Get in touch via email or give us a call, and subscribe to see how Ruijie Reyee can turn your maintenance visits into a work from home day.